What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be installing Whitestone Dome's Glass Easy glass screen protector on the brand new Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Now I'm so excited about this, I had to buy a brand new Galaxy Tab just for this installation. And I trust Whitestone Dome's glass because they work with the in-display fingerprint sensors on pretty much all of the devices. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and we'll install the Dome glass. Okay, so while that's booting up, let's go ahead and see what we get in the package. So here we have our one screen protector, our installation guide, and a cleaning kit. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to take your alcohol wipe and we're going to clean off the screen really well. Then we're going to take our cloth and we're going to dry off the screen. Then you're going to want to take your dust sticker and get off any dust. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our guide here, make sure that this thick end here goes towards the right side of the tablet because there are cutouts for the power button and the volume buttons. So we have to put it on a certain way. Then you're just going to press it down on top of your tablet. Then we're going to take out our screen protector. And notice that there is a little sticker here that's going to go on the underside. We're going to peel that off. And there's also going to be a little cutout here for your cameras, so make sure that goes up towards the cameras. Okay, we're going to go ahead and peel off this sticker. Make sure you don't touch the underside of the glass once you do that. And then I'm going to kind of put it in the guide as I peel this off. Okay, so the glass is sitting inside the guide here. Then I'm going to go ahead and peel out the rest and kind of hold the screen protector in place as you peel out the rest of the film. And then if it looks good, we can kind of just drop it into place and then just kind of run your finger right down the middle here. And as you can see, it will adhere to the whole screen. You can kind of use your finger to help it out if you need. So make sure you get all those bubbles out. Feels very smooth already. Okay, so once you're comfortable with the placement of the installation, what I would do is just kind of move your tablet off your desk or something so it can lift up, and then you can kind of just gently lift up on the guide here, and then just take that off the rest of the way. We have a couple bubbles. I'm just going to go ahead and lift up on the screen a little bit so we can get those out. Then once you have it installed, go ahead and wipe it down with the cloth, get rid of any fingerprints. We'll check it out. It looked like a pretty good, clean installation. I did have a little bit of dust that I had underneath the screen that I had to get out, but that's not the screen protector's fault. But it came out pretty easy, and installation was really nice. Okay, so let's go and look at that install. Looks super clean. The glass is nice and smooth, just like the glass on the tablet. It looks like it is almost a full coverage screen protector. There is a slight gap on the back end here, but none over here. So it looks like the installation was just a titch off, but I'm completely happy with it. And because of the smoothness, very nice. So touch sensitivity, perfect. Everything works beautiful. There's no problems with touch. Let's go ahead and register our fingerprints and we'll see how well that works. Now, the type of fingerprint sensor that's in the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is not ultrasonic, it's optical, so it needs to see your fingerprint, and glass can impede that, but the Whitestone Dome glass always works with fingerprints, so I expect the same out of here. So let's go ahead and register our fingerprints. Beautiful. No issues there, so let's go ahead and test it out. Perfect. No issues with the fingerprint sensor whatsoever. I'm just simply turning the screen on so I know exactly where to put your thumb, because if you don't, it's not going to recognize it. And I'm trying to show you that it works perfectly fine with your thumbprint. So there you go. No issues with the fingerprint sensor either. So let's go ahead and test out our S Pen now. So here we have our S Pen. Beautiful. No issues there either. Nice and smooth. There's just a tiny bit of resistance because the rubber on the S Pen, but you want a little resistance, but it is pretty much smooth, just like writing on glass. And it does look like it's very precise. Yeah, super super precise. Very cool. So if you want to use the S Pen with this glass screen protector, you're going to have no issues whatsoever there either. Alright, and then I also have our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra keyboard case. Just kind of sits on there just like that. And then here we have the keyboard. As you can see, the screen protector does not have any effect with the keyboard cover either. Nothing touches the screen protector because, again, we do have that slight edge on the bottom that allows for a case as well. So now your screen is all protected. You don't have to worry about anything scratching your screen. And as far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to have some pretty good fingerprint rejection. It does have some of my palm when I grabbed onto it, but fingerprints don't seem to show at all. And because it's so smooth, you can just simply wipe away anything on the screen with minimal effort. So that is Whitestone Dome's Dome Glass Easy for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and do reviews to you guys. So if you want to keep your tablet protected, you want a screen protector that works with the in-display fingerprint sensor as well as the S Pen and feels just like the glass that is on your tablet, the Dome Glass Easy is definitely the way to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.